Hi all, just doing a real quick video on the plastic food bag 5" by 3" by 15" that comes in a pack of 1,000. And you see it right here. It's 0.75 mil, which is the thickness of the bag. But what I have here are some of the lemon moist towelettes, the wet naps. And you see how it's all scattered around. What's nice about it is these bags, these 5 by 3 by 15s, do not have to just be used for just food. There's so many different uses. What's nice is these towelettes here, they're all scattered. I like to have them in one little container, and I'm calling it a container, but it's not even a container, it's a bag, which means that you can basically fit this so many places. And the nice thing about it is after you're done putting it all in here, you can easily then be able to get a twist tie, which I have over here, which is all this stuff, you know, the wet naps as well as twist ties. You can get them all from Webstaurant, but you can go ahead and, you know, twist it on up, and there you go. And you're done and done. And what's cool is you can easily open it up, get some out, close it right back up. So there you go, just one of the many uses for the 5 by 3 by 15. Thank you so much for watching.